Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix the white screen problem on Instagram. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So if you go to Instagram and it keeps on popping up white screens when you try to hop on Instagram, there's a couple things you can do to fix this. The first thing you can do is go to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Instagram. You're going to see if it needs some kind of update. As you can see, it does not, but it would say update like Snapchat does right here. Another thing you can do is hop out of here, go to settings, scroll down to general, click on iPhone storage, and you're going to try to find the Instagram app. Once it finally loads, go ahead and search for Instagram, and you want to offload the app. All this will do is free up some storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data safe so you don't have to worry about any of your data or posts disappearing. And finally, the last thing you could do is go to Safari, and you want to search for is Instagram down. You can then check out this website and see whether or not Instagram is down for the day or for a couple hours, and that's why it's giving you problems. So I hope one of these methods does help. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do that without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.